who is the most gracious and the most merciful. Dear students, you have already studied simple sentences and two continuous progressive sentences. The last progressive sentence is future continuous tense, or we can also call it future progressive sentence. Here the action, whatever you are doing, that is here. Let me draw here timeline. You are not doing anything in the past. You are not doing anything in the present. Whatever you are doing, that is there in the future. In the future, you are doing. You may continue the action in the future. So that's why we are using future continuous tense. And now let me tell you the structure of a sentence. Subject, verb, object. This is the structure of a sentence as usual. In all the tenses, you are using the same structure. You are using the same structure in all the tenses. And here helping verbs. Helping verb we are using shall be and will be. I with IV mostly we are using shall be with I and we, and rest of the personal pronouns we are using will be. So here I have written for you as an example. I shall be writing my home task. I shall, negative, I shall not be or shan't be. I shall not be writing my home task. Shall I be writing my home task? Shall I not be writing my home task? Or you can also say, shan't I be writing my home task? In Urdu language we translate like this. मैं घर का काम कर रहा हूँगा फ्यूचर में, ठीक है ना. सो मैं घर का काम नहीं कर रहा हूँगा. क्या मैं घर का काम कर रहा हूँगा? You are not discussing about anything about past, present. You are just talking about future. The work is continuous in the future. आप कर रहे होंगे. So this is how you are going to make variety of sentences. Just you have to follow the same rule. Use helping verb shall be, will be, and first form of the verb ing form. We call it ing form of the verb, and this is how you can make variety of sentences. An example I would tell you that it will be raining. It will be raining after 2 days. It will not be raining after 2 days. Will it be raining after 2 days? Will it not be raining after 2 days? Yes, it will be. No, it will not be. So this is how you can use future continuous tense for future continuous progressive actions. So I am hopeful, dear students, you would be able to make variety of sentences by using different main verbs. Okay, so just now please start making sentences of your own and share with your colleagues. Okay, dear students, I am hopeful that you have made variety of sentences in future continuous tense. Yes, please, gentlemen, could you share your sentences with the class?
I shall be discussing about lesson. I shall not be discussing about lesson. I shall be discussing about lesson. I shall not be discussing about lesson.
Shall I be? Okay, shall I be discussing? In interrogative sentence, use shall, in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, next please.
I shall be discussing about school. I shall be not discussing about school. Shall I be discussing about school? Shall I not be discussing about school?
Yes, please, next.
Shall I be writing my letter? I shall not be writing my letter. Shall I be writing my letter? Shall I not be writing?
Shall I not be writing my letter? Good. Next.
They will be protesting on the road. They won't be protesting on the road. Will they be protesting on the road? Won't they be protesting?
Nice. He has used short form. Won't, will they be? He could have say, but he is using here what? Short form or contracted form of will not, won't. Next please, thank you.
He will be solving maths problems. He will be not solving maths problems. Will he be solving maths problem? Will he not be solving maths problem?
Okay, good.
I shall be discussing an urgent task. I shall not be discussing an urgent task. Shall I be discussing an urgent task? Shall I not be discussing an urgent
Good, nice.
I shall be commenting with my friend. I shall not be commenting with my friend. Shall I be commenting with my friends? Shall I not be commenting?
Shall I not be commenting, or shan't I not be commenting on my friend? Thank you. Nice sentences you have developed. Also, I am hopeful that you all are going to students. So I am hopeful that tomorrow at home you would develop some more sentences of future continuous tense. Thank you very much.